Welcome to the Bulletalks podcast, where we talk anything and everything related to STEM. For this month's issue, Aqua, we are going to be exploring the future of fresh water and whether science can solve the water crisis. Because here's a scary stat. By the year 2050, half the world's population could be living with little to no access to clean water. But don't freak out just yet. There are still some amazing scientists, engineers, and innovators working on game-changing solutions. So let's check them out. First of all, let's discuss what the actual issue is. We all know Earth is the blue planet, right? Water everywhere. But here's the catch. Only about 0.5% of that water is actually usable fresh water. The rest, it's salty, frozen, or too deep underground to reach easily. And with more people, more pollution, and climate change causing droughts and drying up rivers, that tiny slice of usable water is under pressure. Real life example? In 2018, Cape Town, South Africa almost ran out of water completely. They called it Day Zero, the day the taps were going to run dry. So let's talk solutions, because yes, science is stepping up. First up, we have desalination. Desalination is all about turning salty ocean water into clean drinking water. Using a method called reverse osmosis, machines push water through special filters to remove the salt. It works, but it's super energy intensive. That's where solar desalination and new materials like graphene come in, making it faster and greener. Next up, we have water recycling. Here's a wild one. Some cities clean and recycle wastewater, including the one from toilets, and make it safe to drink. It sounds gross, but the science is solid. Using UV light, membranes, and advanced treatment systems, places like Singapore are already doing this daily. Next up, we have water from air. Ever notice how your cold glass gets wet from the outside? That's right. That's condensation, water from the air. Now imagine a machine that pulls the moisture from the atmosphere 24/7 and turns it into clean drinking water. They're called atmospheric water generators, and they're already being used in deserts and during disasters. Next, we have the smart water tech. Leaks waste so much water, but smart cities are using sensors and AI to detect and stop these leaks early on. Think of it as giving your plumbing system a brain, where you save wastewater. And at the end, we have DIY science. And hey, this isn't some big tech thing. You can get involved too. Try building your own water filter, testing water at school, or start a rainwater collection system. Remember, science starts with simple steps and big curiosity. So, can science solve the water crisis? Not on its own, but it can give us amazing tools such as desalination, recycling, and smart tech, and a fighting chance to build a more water-secure future. And who knows, the next breakthrough might come from someone just like you. Thank you for joining me today on the Bulletalks podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, share with a friend and hit that follow button so you do not miss the next podcast. Until then, stay curious, stay hydrated, and keep asking why.